Welcome to my channel. I'm glad to see that you are here to see another visual video. And I use these two weird colors, a bright pink and a really beautiful gray silver. Because some people don't like a lot of bright colors. So, you know, I try to tone it down a little bit. Let's see how it would look. And I think it turned out fabulous. I'm so obsessed with this one. I did the 5x5 squares. And then I put hearts in the corner. And then I found the center of the design, and that's how I created the little boxes that you see here. And you can see the little crease, so you can see where. And all the sides are the same, little hearts. And depending on which angle, it kind of gives like this really pretty, kind of see how these are darker, lighter, depending on the light. And then the lid, I did something different because it was so dark and it was so much pink. I wanted to break it up, and so I did white. So I don't know. You know, not every idea is going to work out like you think it is. Then again, people may say, hey, I love it. You know, that looks great. You know, like, see? You know, they may like it. They may say, oh, that looks great. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. But, this is just the reverse of the heart, the part of the heart. So I did it backwards here. So all I did is I did the four corners first. Then I determined where the center of the canvas was, just like I did here. Of course, the hole was not cut out at the time. And then I did the stitching after I cut out the hole. So I decided how far in I wanted it to go. Once I determined where I wanted it to be, I cut this out, and then I just started stitching all around, like that, until it was done. Same as here. I stitched my heart. I came in 3, and then I started here and did my heart, and I come in 3 squares and did this one. So they're all in the exact same location. From the corner to the center, to the corner to the center, to the corner to the center is 3. So, and I love it. I think it turned out fabulous. I think if you use any color that you want, and then you throw in this real pretty silverish gray, I think it would make it pop so much. And then of course the inside, it's just as cool as the outside. I try to use one strand. Even though people never see the inside, I try my best to kind of keep it clean. I don't know why. Sometimes it looks horrible. Sometimes it's clean. You can hear the puppies. They're in the house. I had a bad day, diabetes day, so I was up and down all day, not feeling so good. So it's late in the it's actually nighttime. My husband's already gone to bed. So I had a little spurt of energy just now after we ate dinner. So I told him while he went and laid down, I was going to make a couple little visual videos. And if you go in the description box, there will be a link to how to create this design here. So you can go watch that video. I do believe I have a tutorial for that. If I do not, then I will create one, and I will put the link in the description below. I appreciate your time. I think it's great that you take the time to watch my videos. I'm thankful that you're here. I'm grateful that you always want to learn something new. I love learning new things, and I want to teach you new things. And I have a lot more ideas to go, and I have all this time in the world, but some days I just don't have good days. So I try to work around the days that are good. So I hope you really enjoy this design. I'm obsessed with it. I think it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. It kind of makes me think of Queen of Hearts, or what is it? Isn't it Alice in Wonderland? With the rabbit and the lady in the garden with their little cards and the minions. And I think she's that color. That's what I think of, Alice in Wonderland. I think that's the cartoon. So yeah, so anyway, Snickers, go sit down. Oh, they've been quiet this whole time, and now they want to get up and run around. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you have any tips, suggestions, ideas, or if you want to correct me on anything that I've said, please leave that in the comment section below. If you want to go to my channel page or the community page or the video page of this channel, there are tabs on there that you can go to different parts of the channel. So if you've missed anything or want to make sure you haven't missed any videos, you can go to the video section or video page, whatever you refer to it as. And I do like to post pictures, dimensions, and things in the community section page of my channel. So with that being said, thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye!